needed the kitchen to be done from scratch. The whole kitchen was falling apart. I knew Oran for a long time. I knew about the jobs he did, different places. So we decided to demolish the whole kitchen and start from scratch. And he helped us step by step, putting the kitchen together. Everything was done in precise measurement and in detail. You can see now the result of what he did. And all my friends that came was absolutely astonished and how he put it all together. And in 6 weeks, usually something like this takes longer, but he did it like 6, 7, 8 people came every day, and each one doing different things, and everyone in schedule. And we are very happy with everything, and everything was done with quality, professional people. And you can see the result. What more can we say? And this is what you see with the things that Oran did. And we're very happy and pleased. And of course, we're going to recommend him to do for our friends that will know the job will be done best as possible. The communication was excellent. He said when they're coming, when they're going to be leaving, and it was done very well. And the people that came to do the project also communicated very well what they wanted me to do and what they needed to do, and everything was done with great communication.
Hello, it's another project of Tulip Remodeling. Here we did a major kitchen remodeling. So we mainly kept the same layout of the kitchen. We did a few twists in order to achieve this amazing look that you can see right now. Over here, we had two posts that they are load-bearing, so we couldn't really get rid of it. But instead of that, what we did, we wrapped all the posts with the same material we used for the countertop. So you can see how the way it looks right now. Over here, on this side, we used to have a window and then a soffit. So the client wanted to have 2 refrigerators, and we thought the best way to maximize, because they also need a lot of storage. So we decided to give up on one window, because we do have another window here next to the sink. And instead of that, we built a pantry and then refrigerator and another station that they can put stuff over the countertop. So we have a lot of counter space and also a lot of storage space for the need of these clients. That's all.